So super quick on what I use to clean my airbrush. This is my airbrush, one of them. Get yourself one of these hospital squirt bottles, brush kit, and this is a little needle tool, and then of course your airbrush, and then I have a little jewelry cleaner here. Alright, and when I'm done with a color, I basically take this bottle first, squirt that in there really good, and then I use one of these wooden Q-tip guys to brush around. While I'm doing that, I'm spraying out as well. So I'm spray, and by moving that needle in and out, that helps clean the paint off your needle. You can also spray into a brush like this and brush your needle while you're doing it, or you can use a toothbrush, and once that's cleared out, dump it a little bit, give it another squirt, dump that, give it another squirt, spray, dump, Q-tip, done. And then you're usually pretty much ready for a new color at that point. I also use Master airbrush cleaner. I just keep it in a little bottle about this big, and I'll fill that in between colors. Sometimes I'll even just set it aside if I have another color I'm going to be working on soon. I've got something else I got to do. I'll just keep my cup filled with that, and then do the same process right before I spray the next color. A little Q-tip, brush it. You can also use a paintbrush to get down inside and clean around that needle while you're spraying, because the needle can build up ink and paint and stuff like that. Dump it out, give it another quick rinse. Make sure you're spraying clear with water, and then add your color and you're good to go.